shook as we had a look in a room where the dead man lay. So big Jim Dwyer made his last trip to the shores where his fathers lay. But 15 minutes later we had our first taste of whiskey. There was uncles giving lectures on ancient Irish history. The men all started telling jokes and the women they got frisky. By 5 o'clock in the evening every bastard there was pissy. Pretty well gone away, there's nothing left to say. Farewell to New York City boys, the Boston and PA. He took them out with a woolen clout and I often heard him say, I'm a free-born man of the USA. He fought the champ in Pittsburgh and he slashed him to the ground. He took on Tiny Tartanella and it only went one round. He never had no time for rights for drink or dice or whores. But he never threw a fight when the fight was right, so they sent him to the war. Very well gone away, there's nothing left to say. With Staunch and Joe and Aaron gone, where love's in America. The calling of the rosary, Spanish wine from far away. I'm a free-born man of the USA. Yeah! I'd always love you, I always did, I always will. Fairly well gone away, there's nothing left to say. But say adieu to your eyes as blue as the water in the bay. To big Jim Dwyer, a man of war, who was often heard to say, I'm a free-born man of the USA. I'm a free-born man of the USA. I'm a free-born man of the USA.
Thanks very much, good night, God bless you all. Tucky Allah, we'll be back here on Sunday night. See.
Yes, Tucky Allah, I'll be back here on Sunday night. Back here Sunday night, tell 10 to tell 10, retweet to retweet. This has been a Crackpot 125 production. We have now one last game in our 125th year of history, and it's now all systems, two last games, one in Europe and one in Scotland. So all hands to the pump. Let's beat those Dutch turnips, and let's give up the soup, the lentils, and everything to Maryhill Food Bank. Tell 10 to tell 10. This is a Fenian Defence League radio production. Hail, hail, increase the peace, fight the power. Ducky Allah, all the way. Chucky Allah, speak to you soon. 125.